Welcome to our channel Foray. So let us start with the amazing fact about India.
So let's begin. India is the second largest pool of scientists and engineers in the world.
Second fact, India is the only country other than US and Japan to have built a supercomputer indigenously.
In India, Dr. Pramod Sethi designed and manufactured artificial limbs, noses and ears with the help of the skilled craftsman Ramchandra Sharma.
Fourth fact, Vinod Dham is an engineer, entrepreneur and venture capitalist. He is known as father of the Pentium chip for his contribution to the development of Intel's Pentium microprocessor.
India gave the world its first university known as Takshashila University. As early as 100 BC, there existed a Gand University at Takshashila located in the northwest region of India.
Sixth fact, Snakes and ladders were inspired from an Indian game called Mokshapat. It was originally called Mokshapat. Snakes and Ladder originated in India as a game based on morality during British rule of India.
Seventh fact. Ayurveda is an ancient system of medicine which dates back to Iron Age of India, first millennium BC, and is still practiced today as a form of complementary and alternative medicine.
Eighth fact, cataract surgery was first found in ancient India. Cataract needle used to loosen the lens and push the cataract out of the field of vision. The eye would later be soaked with warm butter and then bandaged. Though this method was successful, Sushruta cautioned that cataract surgery should not only be performed when absolutely necessary. This method was later spread to the world.
Ninth fact. Indians discovered the Kashmiri wool. The founder of the Kashmiri wool industry is traditionally held to be the 15th century ruler of Kashmir, Zainul Abidin, who employed Venus from Central Asia. The mention of woolen shawls made from this wool in Kashmir are found in several books between 3rd century BC and the 11th century BC.
Fact, USB was developed and defined by Ajay V. Bhatt, who is an Indian-American computer architect. You can also credit him for AGP, Accelerated Graphics Pod, ACI Express, Platform Power Management, Architecture and various cheapest improvements.
If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe and comment down and the press bell icon also. Thank you.